YZ250X built. Let's see if she fires up. Hey, what's up guys, Rado here with Dirt and Iron. This is our YZ250 build, and in this video we're gonna see if she fires up. Actually, I bought this bike like a year ago for $1,000 and it wasn't running. Something was wrong with the crank, so I never heard this bike running. I don't know if she runs. Well, she should, because we have everything new in the bike. The engine is done, I have spark, so everything should be fine. So the plan for today would be to finish it up to the point where I can kick it over and see what happens. So first of all, we're gonna have our subframe with the airbag that is nice, all clean. We're gonna install that, do our uni air filter, all it, install that inside in here. Then you know, I have oversized tank for this build, but today we're gonna use the stock blue tank because my oversized IMS tank is with Decal MX. I ship it over to them. They are doing the decals that are coming all the way up to the top of a tank. I think they will look much better on the build, so that's why I had to ship it over to them so they can, you know, match it with the shrouds and make sure that everything is aligning nicely. So today we're gonna use this stock tank, and my stock petcock was in really bad condition. The filter was broken, so I went ahead and we got a brand new petcock from Fuel Star. These guys are doing the OEM replacement, so we're gonna install that on the tank. Then we got our Turbine Core 2 silencer. We install everything. Once we have these basic things on the bike, we're gonna do some coolant, engine oil, gearbox oil, 2-stroke premix, kick it over, and see what happens.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 yo, go, go, go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit my way, or the highway. And in the driveway is a nice range, cause I grind through the climb, I invite pain. You'll never hear me, bitch, nah, I don't complain. Just gotta flip the switch and you can go and obtain anything you want, anything you need. Your mind's got the key ingredient, it's belief. They'll deceive with the negativity, but I just slide right by that energy. Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go. You got a mind, but even that could change. You could flip the gray matter like some batter in your brain. That's why they say, fake it till you make it A. And if you play that game, then you just might make a change. Rearrange all the bad to okay. Take the worst thoughts saying, turn them to a game. Take the best thoughts saying, put them on display. On repeat in your brain till you're feeling no more pain. Never slow yourself down, you can do some more. Push past all the pain and you'll find a door. Open it up and finally explore everything that you thought you could never do before. And even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go. Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go.
guys, so looks like we are ready. We got our air filter done, oiled, we have fuel, we have coolant, we got oil, we got silencer, so everything is there. We turn on the gas and fill the carburetor. So the Smart Cap 2 is filled, choke is on. So now we just need to jump on it and start it, and I'm a little bit nervous, to be honest. And as you know, we have a tradition here on the channel. Before I do that, before I do first start, I'm gonna pray. Amen. Okay, let's go, guys. Alright, so looks like we are alive! My YZ250, first YZ ever I built, is alive, and this is the first time I can hear this bike running. Sounds pretty good. Alright, I'm really happy that this, I kick it like, I don't know, 10 times. You guys, this is all authentic. I didn't start this bike before and I didn't know if it's gonna start or not. I want you to see my reaction, like keep this channel really authentic. Like if something doesn't work, it doesn't work. If something works, it works. So I just want to keep it authentic, and thank God that the bike is running. Everything seems to be fine. So let me kick it over one more time. See how it goes. A lot of smoke in the garage, but I got the door open right behind the camera, and also that door is open, so there is a lot of air circulating, so no worries about me. I'll be okay. Alright, my friends, so we accomplished mission, we accomplished the goal for today. The bike is running, it's alive, and there's not a lot left to do on the bike. I'm waiting on my tank to come in the mail with all the graphics. Seat will look really good, everything will be matching. I'm really curious to see what you guys are gonna say when you see everything done. So next video I'll just throw everything on the bike, put all the decals on, probably visit Jay Clark, because I like to finish everything in his garage, in Dirt Bike TV garage, and then we'll just show it to you and show you how this bike looks when it's 100% done. Alright, my friends, well, that's about it for today. Let me know below in the comments what you think, and don't forget, whatever you do, stay motivated. See you guys later.